Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chessboard. Today we continue to analyze and design steel connection in Tekla Structural Designer current letter version 2022. Now let's start. We start from the design of the backplate. Now after you complete analysis design, you have to come back to the structural view. Yes, structural view and go to the pie cap. Now you see here the backplate with the bowl with the anchor into the pie cap. Now let's click on this debauch and right click on check backplate. Now the design result is okay, it's 0.8. The summary plate 500 multiplied by 500 multiplied the thickness is 25. The strength of plate is 355. You can check for the plate detail. Plate. This is the summary result. The ignore force well is okay, and shear is okay. Back plate detail is okay. And you can edit backplate. Now right click on edit. In case you want to increase the size of backplate. Now let me change the auto size 500 to any size you want. Now let me change to 700, and this one also 700, and the thickness you can keep it 25, or you can change it to 20, and the grade, now let me change the grade to 235. Okay, and check it again. Right click and check backplate again. Yeah, the result is over 1. So you have to check and what is the code of the failure. We call the effective area, so you have to increase the effective area. Now let me come back, click on edit. I want to keep it in the auto size. Okay. Or you can change the bowl layout. Right click again. In the default there are 4 bowl layout. Yeah, bowl 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to add other bowl, now let's click right click, edit bowl. Yes, the bowl class, you can change the bowl class, and the bowl size, and the bowl length, you can change the bowl length, restriction, and bowl layout. The default is symmetry for bowl, so you can symmetry bowl, you can increase it, bowl in per flank. Now let me increase to 2. Yeah, now click OK. Yeah, 2. So 2 the plate add a new bowl. Okay, now let's come back, right click and edit. Well, you can change the well size, fillet or boot. You can change to 6mm concrete plate. You can change the grout spacing. Yeah, this is the grout spacing under the backplate contact with the pie cap. You can change the grout spacing. Now let me change to 30, and the bowl layout, let me keep it in the default. Come back, click OK, and select it again. Right click on the check backplate. Yeah, the result is okay, is 0.965%. The backplate, the design value and design capacity is okay. You can right click and create property set or report for member or generate drawing. Now let's click report for member. Yeah, this is the welded thickness is at 8mm. We weld it around the section, and the overall dimension of the plate 500 multiplied by 500. The thickness of plate is 25, The strength is at 235. We change from the default is 355 to 235. The result is 0.96. And 20 for bowl. The diameter of bowl is 20. Class of bowl is 4.6. 4.6 is the lower class, yeah, lower class of the bowl. And the embedded length from the pie cap into the from the top pie cap into the pie cap is 350 millimeter long. The anchor plate is 100 multiplied with 100 multiplied with 12 millimeter. And column, this is the overall section of column. And the unit, the vest, 162.2 kilogram per meter length for the column. Gross spec, we use the thickness 30 millimeter. And the concrete, this is the concrete before for the pie cap, strength 32. This is the summary design result. You can add other force, the backplate detail, backplate, shear, welds, and ignore forces. Okay, now let me close this window. Right click again. Click on change the drawing. Now we want to keep this the drawing 1/10 backplate. Click OK. Let's check the drawing of the backplate. Yes, this is the DHS file. You can use it for detailed drawing. The Tekla Structural Designer version, and I think it's okay. You can add some correct dimension or correct the line thickness or add to the layer and prepare for the plotting. It's okay for the drawing. Okay, you can add more notation and dimension for the plate. Yes, it's very nice. Now after you complete for the quick drawing, come back. I don't want to save it. Click no. Come back, and we check for the other connection. For the connection, come back to home. Where it is? Design. I find where I can add it. Window, and you click on the connection window. Okay, click on connection window and connection. Right click, update connection. Now let me turn off the load. I don't want to show load anymore. Where is loading? Support. Okay, we want to show support, not load. Portra, where is loading? Yes. Now turn off load. Okay. This is how you can check for the connection: beam to beam simple connection and beam to column simple connection. You can check. Now let me click one connection. Let me click this connection. The connection and the name SCCHS. SCCHS. The connection type SCC. Yes. AS. Yes, it is the connection type. So in this type there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is the similar with the connection. They group each other for the edge connection. Now let me click on one. Okay, you can right click. It's again. Right click is again. You can open in view. Now let me start to open view. Okay, you can view it. Now let me come back to the 3D. Right click. Export to ID Statica. Okay. Now let me come back to the check export to ID Statica. Okay, now let me click on preview result. Or you can, now let me check. I come back, click on the 3D. Where is 3D? Okay, come back and I want to show the connection. Now let me click on connection again and come back connection. Yeah, click on the connection. Yeah, now right click and select invisible view. Where it is? Yeah, the connection location here. When you change to other and right click, select on visible view is the location, and you can export it to ID Statica. I don't know why, but I can't export it to ID Statica. Maybe it not support with version of ID Statica, so you have to check it. So you can right click and export to design the complete connection in ID Statica by using these methods. Okay. For the connection we use the same. Yeah, use the same. Now let me view. And you can export to ID Statica. After that, you have to finish to complete the design connection in ID Statica. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you.